Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you to you all to joining my budget proposal examiner. Uh, and I would be grateful to the examiner, advisor, and all of the audience for taking time to my budget proposal seminar. And today I would like to let me introduce myself. My name is Jeffrey Petrus Saragi. My student's registration number is 2117018. And today I will present you about my research proposal with title The Correlation Between Reading Strategy and Reading Comprehension Achievement of 11th grade students of Senior Section Number 1 in Lubuk 2017 and 2019 academic year. For the first is Chapter 1, Background. Language can be said as the core of humanity. Based on the Subhasini and Kokilavani state that 2013, page 56, assert English is officially most of common language all over the world. It's the language of higher administration, superior judiciary, and advanced education. And based on the Letterington 2004 page 65, argue that for basic language ability are commonly regarded as speaking, listening, reading, and writing. And by mastering these four skills, students are expected to integrate them is communication acts. And among those four skills, the BART in 2006, page 1, state that reading is the most crucial skill for students of English as foreign language. But in fact, most of Indonesians are aware of importance of reading in life, but they do not make a reading as a need basics. Based on the data of UNESCO in 2012, report that index reading interest in Indonesia reached 0.001. It means from the data from to 1,000 population, only one resident who interested in reading. And furthermore, from Bureau of Statistics Survey 2012 show that Indonesia do not make reading as primary source of information. And also from the OECD in OECD, which surveyed 15-year-old students' ability in mathematics, reading, science, and problem solving of assessment, revealed that Indonesia literacy skill rank is 61 from 65. So we can take from the data that Indonesia have a low in comprehending text, and there are some factors that contribute for having good reading comprehension. One of them is reading strategies. Reading strategies are very important. Help reader comprehend the text in act of reading. And based on the SEN 2009, page 2301, and implementation of reading strategies are enable more efficient use of time. Moreover, is effective way to solve reading problems encountered by students while reading. And then from the role of strategy used is reading comprehension has been topic of discussion in social and foreign reading literature. Reading strategies are very essential to assist learner to overcome reading difficulties such as inferring the underlying message in the text, dealing with unknown terms and unfamiliar culture. And for the addition, based on the writer interview with the English teacher in senior high school number 1 in Lubuk, she found that the students have difficulties in reading comprehension. For the first, because they not fluent English, and and also difficult in identifying information, and also reading comprehension of 11th grade students in senior high school number 1 in Lubuk were low. From this background, formation of the problem is the writer wants to know the correlation between reading strategy and reading comprehension achievement, and also the objective of the study is to find out whether there is any significant correlation between reading strategies and reading comprehension achievement, and also to find out whether reading strategies significantly influence reading comprehension achievement of the 11th grade students of senior high school number 1 in Lubuk Linggau. And also we're going to significance of the studies. For the first is for the teacher. It's hope to broaden the teacher's horizon about their knowledge in teaching English reading text. And second, for the students, it will be able to inform students about the existence of reading strategies, and from this they can choose the strategies of reading that properly to them. And the third is for the researcher itself. The result of this study are hoped to give valuable information as a capacity of the writer as the teacher in the future. And the last is for the future. This study gives much information about not only the relationship between reading strategies and reading comprehension, but also how much it influences learners' reading strategies. So, this study can be used as a reference for the future studies with similar problems or variables. And then we're going to chapter 2, literature review. The first is personal study. The writer take from the Frankel, Wallen, and Hyun, 2012, page 330. Personal study is a quantitative method of research which have two or more quantitative variables from the same group of subjects, and to determine if there is a relationship between of two variables. And then the reading strategy, according to Lee, 2010, page 195. Reading strategies are deliberate, conscious techniques and that readers employ to enhance their comprehension or retention of the textual information. And then for the reading strategies classification, the writer taking from the ISORS survey that proposed by Mokhtari and Shori in 2002. In ISORS survey, there is three types of reading strategy. For the first is GLOB, G-O-G-L-O-B, global reading strategies. Global strategies involve planning how to read and manage comprehension. And then second, problem solving strategies, PROB. In the PROB, problem solving strategies involve using strategies when reading difficult part of the text. And then the last is support reading strategies, SUP. In SUP, support strategies involve using devices and techniques to understand the text. And then the concept of reading comprehension achievement, based on the Pang et al. 2003, page 6, state that reading is about understanding written text. It's complex activity that involves both perception and thought. And also according to Pardo, comprehension is a process in which readers construct meaning by interacting with the text through the combination of prior knowledge and previous experience, information in the text, and the sense that the reader takes in the relation to the text. And achievement is the somebody has done successfully known. Burns and Graven state that in 1998 mentioned are four aspects that influence. They are intellectual, and then positive expectation, and then support, and the last is instructional environment conducive to learn. And then we will go into chapter 3, method of the research. A, research design. The writer using a explanatory design. Based on the Creswell, explanatory design is conducted when the research want to explore the extent with two or more variable category. That is where change in one variable are reflected in change in the other. And then B, population and sample. According to Creswell, 2005, page 145, population is a group of individuals who have the same characteristic. In this study, the population of the study is 120 students from four classes, is social 1 and social 2, and then science 1 and science 2. And then sample. According to Frankel, Wallen, and Hyun, 2012, page 91, sample is a group which information is obtained in this research. The writer using convenient sample, and the sample is science 1 and science 2. And then collecting data. For the first using in this study, the writer used tests. The first is questionnaire. So the questionnaire will be 3 items in the question. 30 items in the questionnaire consists of 3 items for each group of reading strategies: GLOW, PROG, and also SUP. And then reading comprehension test. This test was used to find the students' reading comprehension achievement. The test taken from the TOEFL Junior, which consists of 42 in multiple choice. And then technique for analyzing data and the procedure. In this studies, the writer using a statistical analysis. And for the first step is analysis of reading strategies and questionnaire, statistic questionnaire, and reading test. Analysis of reading strategies questionnaire was distributed to students to find what types of strategies they might employ in learning English. And then analysis in the reading comprehension test. In the reading comprehension test, students' achievement will be scored by calculating its correct answer. The correct answer will be scored 1 and incorrect will be 0, and there is 42 items of it. And then data description. In this section present the distribution of frequency of data and descriptive statistic which obtained from student score in questionnaire and reading test. And then distribution of frequency data. Data from questionnaire and reading test were obtained. The writer described the student by score by presenting a number of students who got certain scores. Its score percentage from students. And then descriptive statistic. In the number of sample, the minimum score, the maximum score, median, and standard deviation were obtained. Descriptive statistic taken from score in questionnaire and reading test. And then prescriptive analysis. Before analyzing all the data obtained statistically, prerequisite analysis should be done to ensure the data is normal and linear. Normality test. In normality test used to measure whether the data was normal or not. And then linearity test was conducted to measure whether the obtained was linear or not. Test for linearity was used to measure student score in questionnaire and reading test score. Moreover, in deviation for linearity was higher than 0.05. The data was linear. And then Correlation analysis. Correlation analysis. The data from the questionnaire will be analyzed to determine the student's reading strategies. Its item score 1 to 5 scale. And then the regression analysis. Simple regression analysis is from stepwise method. It's also used to examine whether or not students' reading strategies, its type, the strategies influence their reading. Regression analysis also to measure how far the two variables is make impact each other. Okay, I think that's all of my presentation. Thank you for your full attention. Good morning. Thank you very much.